everyone and welcome to the EVS course. As you can see on the screen, the topic that we are going to cover today is impact of deforestation. Without further delay, let's start by understanding what deforestation is. I know that we have been studying deforestation since our childhood, but still let's revise it. Deforestation means clearing of forests or cutting down of trees. And our current rate of deforestation is very high. And if it continues, then within a century, our rainforests will disappear. You can understand how serious this problem is. Loss of such huge amount of trees causes several ill impacts on environment. And very simple solution to this is afforestation. Deforestation impacts our environment, forest, biodiversity, tribal life in a very negative way. And we will study impact of deforestation on these one by one. Beginning by its impact on environment, it increases rate of environmental degradation, which means degradation of environment's health and decrease in biodiversity. You will ask how? Let me answer that. Trees absorb large amount of carbon dioxide by photosynthesis, and without trees there is large amount of carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, and along with carbon dioxide trees are also known to absorb nitrous oxide, another greenhouse gas, and due to increase in amount of these gases global warming is happening, and this imbalance will and indeed is leading to climate change. Such change in climate leads to change in ocean currents, which control rainfall patterns. Due to change in such factors, some places will face drought, while others will face flood. Impact of deforestation on forest. Loss of trees disturbs food chain and food web, endangering and causing extinction of several animal species. For example, the red panda and orangutan, which are endangered, and Helena redwood, which is extinct in wild. Clearly, there is loss of forest ecosystem. Both flora and fauna are lost. Roots hold soil particle, preventing their loss, and hence deforestation will lead to soil erosion. Loss of natural vegetation cover puts pressure on land, changing its soil chemistry and hydrology, resulting in desertification. Impact of deforestation on biodiversity. The word biodiversity is self-explanatory. It simply means that diversity in biological or living beings. More simply speaking, variety of flora, that is plant species, and fauna, that is animal species. Due to clearing of forest, there is habitat loss of animals. They can't relocate. They will become extinct. Ecological balance is a state of dynamic equilibrium within a community of organisms in a habitat or ecosystem. For example, कंसिडर करते हैं कि एक घर है और उसमें बस 10 लोग रह सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर 100 लोग रहने आ जाए तो क्या रह पाएंगे? In the same way, there should be a balance between abiotic and biotic components of our ecosystem. But due to deforestation, there is ecological imbalance. और अगर imbalance होगा तो यह तो तय है कि कुछ चीज vulnerable हो जाएगी, कुछ endangered और कुछ extinct हो जाएंगी. And with decreasing number of species, there will be a decrease in biodiversity. Impact of deforestation on tribal life. In general terms, a tribe is a human social group which mainly live in a forested region and are isolated geographically from common territory. They survive by hunting and by carrying out shifting cultivation. And if we cut trees and clear forests, they will lose their homes, their habitat. आप सोचिए, अगर कोई आके आपका घर बर्बाद कर दे, आपका छत छीन जाए, तो आपको कैसा लगे? Tribal people are very much connected to the forest, and without forest, their lifestyle will be lost. Baga tribe of Madhya Pradesh, Birhor tribe of Uttar Pradesh are some example of vulnerable tribal groups, and we are losing our tribal heritage with the extinction of tribal groups. Now let's discuss some other notable impacts of deforestation. The first and foremost thing is decrease in O2 production. With more and more of animal habitat getting taken away by humans, the wild animals have no choice left but to enter human settlements in search of food and migration, and hence animal attacks and man-animal conflict is gradually becoming the order of the day. Cases of tiger attack, elephant attack, and bear attack are constantly making newspaper headlines. Deforestation affects the sustainability of environment on a global scale in form of global warming and climate change. As we have discussed few minutes earlier, we are also losing our environmental heritage of country as many important species of trees and inhabitants of dead trees get extinct. This is all about impact of deforestation. I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any queries, then comment down below, and for more detailed notes please visit our website hrcharitima.com.